Put the number on the top, multiply. Put the number on the bottom, subtract. Bring it down.
Great.
Two different types of math.
You learned how to do two different types of math?
I learned how to do fractions and the other one.
Wonderful.
Adding decimals, right?
Fractions got a lot easier for me.
Oh my goodness.
It was so fun.
Tell your teacher the fractions just got a lot easier for you.
Okay.
See you later.
Great job.
I thought it was awesome, it was engaging, and like they just said, they learned and it made it even easier for them. So I thought it was great.
I thought it was a fantastic assembly. Everyone were engaged, including teachers. I've seen teachers enjoy just as much as children did. And awesome. We are so glad you came to Mote.
Put the number on the top, multiply. Put the number on the bottom, subtract. Bring it down.